Hey guys, I'm Katie from Mystic Creek Farm. Welcome back to the channel. We got we're in the middle of another major snowstorm. For about the last 15 hours, we've had a lot of freezing rain, and about 3 hours ago, it switched to snow, and we already have 4 inches of snow. We are supposed to get about another 30 hours of snowfall. So we are supposed to get total about 12 inches of snow. The power has been flickering on and off for a little bit, I think because the weight of the ice on everything. It's about 32 degrees right now. So I'm going to try to get some work done, but I thought I would bring you around and show you the sights of this beautiful blizzard. We are also winding down on Christmas trees. We have about 12 balsam left, and then a handful of white pine, and then a handful of the naturals, which are unsheared. And so we are winding down and almost sold out. We probably would be sold out today and tomorrow if we wouldn't be getting this massive snowstorm. They're saying don't travel anywhere or do anything. So we are all home today. School is canceled, all of that. So we're just kind of hunkering down, resting up, and enjoying the time that we have. Oh, are you watching for Beck, huh? The wind is supposed to just continue getting worse. So Beck is out playing right now, wear off some of that energy. And so we told him, go have fun. Well, it's fairly warm out because the wind chill is just going to continue getting worse. And it's going to get colder as the day progresses. You're loving this cold weather, aren't you? Are you having fun? Huh? Where's your girl? Where's Lily? That's just Beck. What are you doing? Wally. Oh my goodness. You can see underneath there's ice and slush, a good layer of it. You can see where I walked the water in it. It reminds me of walking on a lake when you're ice fishing and it's been warm, and so that layer of water is between the snow and the ice. That's what everything here is like right now. Look at this. This will all come down, but and it is wonderful to see the snow is shedding off of the high tunnel. I was worried it would all freeze to it and we'd have to go in and pound it off because of the ice, but it's all shedding, so that's wonderful to see. That is it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next time.